You'll be asked one show me and one tell me question during your driving test. Remember, every car is different, and this video is for the Volkswagen Polo.
Let's begin with the tell me questions. Tell me how you'd check the brakes are working before starting a journey.
The brakes should not feel spongy or slack. The brakes should be tested before you set off. The vehicle should not pull to one side when driving. We are looking for a firm pedal when it's pressed.
Tell me where you'd find the car's recommended tire pressures and how you'd check each tire.
This information can be found in the user manual, or you can open the fuel cap at the rear of the car. Use a pressure gauge to check the tire's pressures.
Tell me how you would make sure your head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the best protection.
The head restraint should be adjusted, so the rigid part is at least as high as your eyes or the top of your ears.
Tell me how you would check the tires have sufficient tread depth and are in a safe condition.
Check they have no cuts or bulges around the side wall of the tire. The central 3/4 of the tire must have at least 1.6 millimeters of tread depth.
Tell me how you would check the headlights and tail lights are working.
Turn the switch to the right. You might need to turn the ignition on. Then walk around the front and rear of the car to check the lights are working.
Tell me how you would know if there was a problem with your anti-lock braking system.
The ABS warning light should light up if there's a fault.
Tell me how you would check the indicators are working.
The indicator stalk is located on the left of the steering wheel. Pull the stalk downward to indicate left. Then walk around the car to ensure the lights are working. Lift the stalk upward to signal to the right. Then walk around the car to ensure the lights are working.
Tell me how you would check the brake lights are working.
Press the brake pedal and ask someone to check the brake lights come on, or use reflections in windows and doors.
Tell me how you would check the power steering is working before starting a journey.
Turn on the car ignition and turn the wheel left and right. You will notice the steering is noticeably lighter.
Tell me how you would switch on the rear fog lights and when you would use them.
The fog light symbol is located here. To activate the rear fog lights, you must turn on the dipped headlights by moving the switch to the right, and then pull the switch outwards. The fog light is used generally when you cannot see for more than 100 meters.
Tell me how you would switch your headlight from dipped to main beam, and how you would know the main beam is on.
Turn on the dipped headlights and push the stalk on the left away to turn on the main beam. Check that the main beam warning light on the dashboard is on.
Open the bonnet and tell me how you would check the engine has sufficient oil.
Here is the lever to release the bonnet catch. Pull the lever towards you. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean with a cloth and put it back into the holder. Take it out again and check the oil level is between the high and low marks. If it is low, top it up. Be careful not to overfill the oil, as this can damage the engine.
Open the bonnet and tell me how you would check the engine has sufficient engine coolant.
The engine coolant is found on the left-hand side with a blue cap. Make sure the coolant is between the high and low levels marked on the tub. If low, fill it up with engine coolant, but only when the engine is cold.
Open the bonnet and tell me how you would check you have a safe level of hydraulic brake fluid.
The brake fluid must be kept between the high and low marks. If it's low, top it up with the correct type of fluid. You can find out what this is in your car's manual.
Let's move on to the show me questions. When it is safe, show me how you would wash and clean the rear windscreen.
When it is safe, push the stalk on the right side of the steering wheel away from you.
When it is safe, show me how you would wash and clean the front windscreen.
When it is safe, pull the stalk on the right side of the steering wheel towards you.
When it is safe, show me how you would switch on your dipped headlights.
Turn the switch on the right-hand side. 2 clicks to the right.
When it is safe, show me how you would set the rear demister.
Press once to activate. Press again to switch off.
When it is safe, show me how you operate the horn.
Press down on the front center of the steering wheel.
When it is safe, show me how you would demist the front windscreen.
Press the max button once to activate. Press it again to turn off. You may have to turn the fans down manually after switching this off.
When it is safe, show me how you would open and close the side window.
On the right door, push the front switch down to open the window. Pull it upward to close the window.